continuation on the Russell.
Order pending.
Let's see if this is going to come through for us. Looking for a nice push up here. A little bit of sluggish price action here right off the bat. It's 9:44 a.m. First trade of the day. Alright, we got some volume going on here. We're going through our first target. Nice volume burst on that Russell entry. We're looking for our first target at 5 ticks. We got 4 contracts riding with 2 targets. So you got some volume coming up here to the top side.
Target filled.
Okay, we were filled in our first target. We got one more target out in the profit. I want this thing to turn on us here. Kind of sandwich the price in. Alright, we got stopped out on our second target. We got 5 ticks on our first target, which is okay. That's 10 ticks for 2 contracts. That's $100 on our second trade. Not bad, but again, we saw some reversal. Didn't want to play with this too much, so after our first target was hit, we opted to kind of sandwich in the price. If it would have went up, okay. If not, we didn't lose anything on the second two, and that's the way we do things. All right, we'll go on to the next contract, the next trade here. We're going to try to take a short here on the Dow.
Order pending.
I'd like to come right under the price here if it's going to come down and meet it. We got some red coming in here, so we're hoping for a nice burst downwards. Alright, we're close to getting filled on our trade here. There we go. We have just been filled on our trade. And here, guys, we're going to take our first contracts off at 5.
Target filled.
Alright, we got 5 on the first 2. And price action here, guys, so we'll just get out with 10 ticks here. Again, just too whippy for us. It may come down, but for now, yeah. We got 5 on the first, 10 on the second. That's 30 ticks together, so we're happy with that for now. Alright, we'll go to the next trade. Alright, guys, we'll be looking for a long here on the Russell.
Order pending.
We may actually be doing a double order here because we're seeing a strong push to the upward coming.
Order pending.
To put in my entry for the Russell at 701.4, and I'd like to put in my entry for YM at 10,670, and we should be filled on both of these trades shortly. A lot of green coming in on the Russell here.
Order filled.
Okay, we've just been filled on the YM, and we've been filled on the Russell. YM is moving quickly towards the first target here, guys.
Target
there we go. There we go. Our first target was filled, moving to its second target. Russell has also been filled. I'm going to move this up a little bit as we are seeing some strong upward movement on the Russell. 15 ticks. Ticks. Okay, got a bit more power on this thing, I believe. We should be hitting our second target momentarily here, guys. We should be right there. There we go. We've just been filled on the YM, and we should be filled on the Russell as well, I believe, very shortly here. Just take it off at 18 ticks. Beautiful two trades, guys. Beautiful two trades. That's what we needed for today. And a nice bounce back. We were expecting that bounce after of 699 here, 700 to 699 area, and around the 10650 area. The bounce came. We took it on both the instruments same time, and both were profitable. All right, guys, let's go to the next one. All right, we're gonna look for another bounce here on the Russell. If the signals match up. All right, we're gonna try to get on this trade here for a long on the Russell. 694.6 is the entry. Let's see if we get a strong move up here, guys. Alright, we've just been filled on the Russell here, guys. Alright, we've just been filled on our first target, going to our second target here. Should have another strong move up here, guys. I'd like to take this one out at 8 ticks if possible.
Target filled.
There we go. We got our 8 ticks on our second target, so that's 16 plus 10. We got 26 ticks on that trade. And that was a great trade to finish off here, guys. Alright, guys, quick day as a recap here. We had 10 ticks on a long trade here right off the bat. Another 46 ticks long on the Russell, going up through that break point. Very, very, very strong downward movement after that. We were waiting for a quick bounce, and we got another bounce, same as this one. Same signal, same indicator, same everything else. Just this one went a little bit longer. We got this one right here. We got 26 ticks on that. Altogether on the Russell, we've had a total of 82 ticks today, $820 on 4 contracts. On the Dow, we've had 2 trades. One short right here, and then the same bounce as we had for the 46 ticks here. We had the same bounce. We did a double move at the same time, as our indicators showed a really strong upward movement and volume coming into the market. So we got 60 ticks here. We got 90 ticks all together today. Calculates to $450 on 4 contracts. Today is May the 18th, 2010, in live trade room of futures, trading the Dow and the Russell. Alright, guys, thank you, and we'll look for everybody tomorrow morning. Bye-bye, traders.